What's up everybody? Welcome to another day in the life vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be better because the last couple of vlogs we've been inside, quarantine, blah blah blah, whatever. But basically today we got some things exciting, exciting things planned for the day. Not only that, I'm working on so many projects, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek on all of those. But right now, what me and Anthony are about to do is go to this basketball court, man. It's a very, very nice basketball court, probably the best one in Toronto. We're gonna go there, play basketball, film some content, and then come back. I have a call with Amber, then we're starting this new series. Got a lot going on. You guys are gonna love this vlog. And yeah, leave a like right now, subscribe to me. I don't know why you're already subscribed. Turn the post notification on, leave a comment, do all that. And hope you guys enjoy the vlog today. God damn. Alright everybody, we're at the ball court. It took us longer than we expected to get here. We had some difficulties with some bikes and shit, but listen, we enjoyed all the bikes. We're here, working out. Honestly, while I'm here, should I just give them a little rant, bro? Yeah. Listen guys, it's very important to stay healthy, okay? And by the way, before I even start this rant, if any of you are gonna get offended, gonna cry like a little bitch because some kid over the internet said some things that hurt your feelings, don't watch it. No, don't watch it. But basically, guys, you gotta understand, you have to take time out of the day to do some form of exercise to stay healthy, right? Like I know I hear this shit all the time, man. Body positivity, feel comfortable with who you are, and I agree. Self-love is important. Love you for who you are, but that doesn't take away from the fact that you still have to be a healthy human being. You know what I mean? I can love myself and still be healthy, right? I can love myself and still work out and take care of my body. I think people, rationalize this body positivity bullshit to, rationalize their laziness, everybody has time in their day to work out. Not only that, meditate, you know what I mean? It's like not only healthy on the physical side, but mental side as well, and I think people forget that. Listen guys, you have the time to work out, go fucking work out. It's not about just looking good. It's not about, oh, I don't care what everybody says. I don't care what anybody says, but I still want to be healthy. I want to be in a position where it's like, working out and stuff like that requires some form of discipline. You gotta stay disciplined in life. This is bigger than body positivity. This is bigger than looking good. This is the way of life. The last thing you want to do is be unhealthy when you're with your family trying to enjoy some shit. When you're trying to run ball with your boys and you're unhealthy as fuck because you're fat. Shit, you just want to be body positivity and you don't want to work out. Listen, you have all the time and this is just the annoying part, right? I tell people always tell me that, yo, I don't have time to do this. Like, I don't have time to start a business. I don't have time to do this. If I go check your screen time right now, it's probably 4 or 5 hours of just bullshit, right? So stop with this lying, get working out. Don't rationalize your laziness, by saying, oh, body positivity. That's not true. Stay healthy, man. It's bigger than how you look. It's how you feel. It's man, health is more important than anything else. You know what I mean? I'll take care of my health before I go fucking secure a bag that will destroy my whole life. So guys, that's a quick rant for you.
Yeah, I be feeling great. Baby, when you with me, you don't pay. Shrimp fettuccine on my plate. She not 19, but she says she got a fade. Damn, girl, I like the way you thinking.
If I make this, boys gotta like the video.
Gotta like it regardless, but oh, he made it.
Is that recording?
Yes.
Yes.
He said boys gotta like it, so y'all gotta like it. You know what I'm saying?
And then I got there and then I worked out and then some fucking guy came. Those working guys came.
We're just riding around, me and Anthony in Toronto, and you know who we ran into? My homie Irfan. It's his birthday yesterday, right? It was his birthday yesterday, man. Big guy, helped me a lot with sales and everything. I don't know why my fridge is open, but listen, that's the thing about Toronto, bro. When when you got freedom, you just scoot around, see your boy who got freedom too. You talk about life, you talk about business, you make money. You know what I'm saying? He's the only other guy in Toronto that has a scooter. We fucking just cool around. It's crazy that we ran into each other. But guys, you guys should go fuck with Irfan. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below. You know what I'm saying? And also, if you guys actually want to grab the free course, we actually have a video together on sales there. Free value, it's unreal. We might even make more videos together. No, we are going to make more videos together. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But yeah, it's always cool when you run into your friends, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to cook some salmon because I'm a healthy man. We're about to eat good. So a lot of entrepreneurs online, they don't talk about this, but the battles is usually mental, you know, because for like, let's say athletes is physical, right? Like you see it, like, but I think people don't see the mental battles entrepreneurs go through, and then they just see the glory on Instagram. And I think people need to understand, first of all, you choose what you post on Instagram, and you ain't posting you being a bum on Instagram, right? But I think, and I've noticed this with a lot of entrepreneurs, me included, I'm guessing you as well, like all the mental battles you go through, and it's usually always self-doubt, you know? It's like not believing yourself, like thinking, oh, what the fuck's going on? It's usually just chatter in your head. And I think that's why, like, and that's why to be an entrepreneur, I think you need to be someone that's like mentally tough. I remember in the beginning, I was like giving my homies the course, and I'm like, why the fuck are these guys not succeeding? And I'm like, oh wait, they can't take risk, they can't handle any stress, they can, you know, they can't get rejected, like their mindset's fucked. And I was like, oh word, not everybody can be a fucking entrepreneur. It's a mental game more than just a physical, or like, you know, oh, money in, money out. Like mentally, man, like, you know, I'm pretty sure you can attest to this. Like you probably lost a lot of money, you know what I mean? A lot of shit that people will never go through, and some people will probably commit suicide if they didn't go through. And I think it's important just to even talk about it, man, to make people feel like, yo, you're not alone type shit, you know? It's like, yo, everybody goes through this, it's just a part of the game.
What's going on, Chef?
So yo, for everybody that doesn't like to cook and shit, I like to cook, but I don't cook cause time and shit. But yo, all man's grab an air fryer, bro. Look at the quality of the food. Like, man, look at Irfan's, cause his looks nicer. Look at that.
Look at this.
Whoo, whoo, damn, looks nice. Trust me, guys. Get on an air fryer. We're eating good right now. Right now, guys, I'm on my Facebook ads. I actually don't even run my ads, but we're doing some simple ads. Yazir already ran them. My homie Yazir, you know, who handles my ads. But what I'm doing right now is kind of running some of my own, testing my own shit out. See if there's some shit that I kind of want to make changes of. And you know, here we are. I'm doing some ads. You're gonna start seeing my ads everywhere. Me and Anthony, we've been filming a lot of content for that reason, for the ads. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see that. I want to talk about something funny. So I'm slowly getting into stocks, right? And recently, one of my homies was like, all right, bro, this fucking stock called KTOV, that's a ticker symbol, right? He's like, buy this shit, they're about to fucking go off, right? I was like, word. I bought this shit back in like mid-June, and I held it for 2 weeks. I don't know what it was one day, and I was like, damn, bro, what the fuck am I doing? I have like $2 grand worth of the stocks that I'm holding that's kind of actually going down. I started panicking, you know, I fucking sold that, like, whatever, I'll take my loss, take my $200 loss, and I'll just sell my shares so I can actually invest in other stocks that I might be educated in, because I'm like, I don't know shit about the stocks. My homie told me, like, it just didn't make sense, right? Anyways, yesterday, by the way, I bought the stock, I think, I forgot how many shares, but I bought the stock at 54 cents, I think it was like around $2 grand. Yesterday, at peak, it hit I know it hit 1.17, 1.13 or some shit, but basically, I could have made a lot of money is what I'm saying, just holding that stock for an extra 2 days, right? Am I tripping? No. Am I somewhat sad? Whatever, maybe, but you know, I don't give a shit. But I think, I say this to say this, like some people, they would fucking flip out, lose their whole mind, their whole life over this shit. You guys gotta want to understand, opportunities are like buses. They just come and they like, you miss a bus, bro, another one's coming, you know what I mean? Like, that's how I look at it. So whatever, I could have doubled my money out an extra 2 bands, you know, we could have bought some champagne, bought some nice shoes, Dior kicks, blah blah blah, whatever. But I don't mind, because I know another opportunity, like this is one of millions of stocks that just go up and down, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, of course I'm not trying to give you guys stock knowledge, but I'm telling you like what it is, you know what I mean? Like, there's always opportunities out there in the stock market. There's always opportunities out there in the world. If you missed out on Bitcoin, don't worry. If you missed out on this, don't worry. If you missed out on that, don't worry. You will always have opportunities everywhere. You gotta go find and get it, okay? That's my 2 cents for the day for this shit, man. Listen, I could have had, I don't even know like percentage, you know, I dropped out of school, I don't know math like that, but I know for a fact I would have made an extra 2,500 or something, you know? But then again, like I said, I really don't mind. So I just went and bought some champagne, and you guys might be wondering, why the fuck you going out buying champagne, you know? First of all, who doesn't like champagne? Classy shit. Well, no, I don't even drink that much, but the reason I bought these champagne is because I'm actually starting a series on this YouTube channel called Champagne Talks with Splash. And what we're gonna do, drink champagne, talk shit, okay? I don't know if you guys know about me. I mean, a lot of you don't know me like that, but I go on a lot of rants, and those rants are usually like fucking sick. You know what I mean? Like, I've been able to have the skill where I can, like, off the dome talk about a topic I'm very passionate about. And I'm passionate about a lot of topics, and you know, a lot of them relate to mindset, life, business, this, that, or whatever, and I want to do it while I'm drinking champagne, wearing my robe, talking shit. So we're starting this new series. We were gonna film today, but you guys gotta understand, you know, I never rush anything, and you know, the timing just isn't the right today, so we're gonna wait for a bit, wait till Anthony comes back. When he comes back, he's also gonna have his own scooter, so we can make so much more content, and yeah, I'm excited for this series, guys. By the way, anyone watch this video, if you tell me what topic you want me to talk about on Champagne Talks with Splash. It can be mindset, business, life. Of course, don't ask me how to get clients off of email marketing, e-commerce, ROI, dropshipping. Don't ask me no bullshit like that. Ask me real life, real shit. You know what I mean? I'm a businessman. I'm not a marketer. I don't talk about ROI, email open rates every second, right? Life is all about drinking this shit, talking shit. Yo, guys, you know what I'm saying? Got my homie Fez.
What one, family? How you guys doing?
Yes, sir. Yo.
Here on the grind. We do our daily FaceTime. Splash is the boy. Shout out to the vlog.
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys know me and Fez been knowing each other for what, 2 years? More than 2 years now. Literally
2.5 years now.
met on some online shit. And now you know we grew together, make money together, done a lot of cool shit since the beginning. You know what I'm saying?
Real man, the come up guys. Check out our podcast that we did together. Some good shit, man. Some good.
Check out the fucking pod. I'll put in the link, alright? So right now, man, I have a call with Amber. I swear every vlog we have a call with Amber, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? We always be doing some good shit. I told Anthony, you know, he has to go at 4, but I'm like, just go now because I'm gonna be on the call anyway. So yeah, man, that is it for the vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I wish you could stay longer, but the day's not done. You know, there's some things I'm gonna do today I just can't even post. So yeah, that's just the life of an entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying? We work hard, we play hard, we do dope shit, we help people, we you know what I'm saying? It's just good vibes. Like, I don't want to say entrepreneur or not, man. As a human being, spread good vibes, be a positive person. There's so much negativity out in the world. Be the one, be the change, man. Be the one to actually provide positive energy to people, you know, show love. And I'm really big on that, and I think that is one of the reasons why I've been so happy lately, is just that, spreading that kind of energy. But yeah, I guess we'll end the vlog off with that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.
Sleeping while you wait. My chapter with you is done, I read a different page. Only heard the second part when I said give and take. How could you tell lies and then just look me in the face? Doing what I